Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Rodrigo, and today we are discussing about the best abilities to get early on Ultros. So, for example, you can have this memory lock, so every time you restart, you don't need to get the ability again. So, for example, let's first move over to the best ability. So, for example, this combo one can be good, power slide, and then I don't know, attack power, okay. This one is the one of the best ones, wall jump. So combo, this one, these two, because it will improve your jumping and then you can get a little bit further. And then this is good, but you can leave for the last ones because you don't need a lot of things to get this and you can get easily. This one to drop food on the soil, to make compost is good. Speed of eating, no. Where was it? This, the living network, I think is important, but not priority because you only start connecting things, I think, after you did maybe 2, 3 or 4 restarts. And then where was it? This one, to also be able to throw foods and seeds. This is very important one. And then the least important, or the last one that I took was this one, because it's consume car. This one that consumes the HWK, and this one, this one, Yug, consume Yug, because then if you have something but not enough to get the other abilities, you start to losing this. This one, because it's not so important, but you only need HWK to get it, not so bad. And then, as I said, maybe this one and this one, because they are very at the beginning and they don't need a lot of things to unlock, so you can keep them for later. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have joy and see you next time. Bye bye.